Hello friends, welcome to my channel and another Blogger video. If you are looking for a free Ecommerce template for Blogger.com, I have compiled 5 lists of the best free Ecommerce Blogger templates for you to choose from. All of these templates are designed to help you create an online store quickly and easily. They come with all the features you need to start selling products online, including shopping carts, product catalogs, and payment processing. So, what are you waiting for? Watch out the full video and select the best free Ecommerce templates for your blog and your store today. 1. Easy Cart. Easy Cart is a free and responsive Ecommerce template that you can use with your Blogger site. It is easy to set up and use, and allows you to sell products and services online. Easy Cart also includes a built-in shopping cart, order management system, and checkout system. Easy Cart is the perfect way to get started in Ecommerce. It is easy to use and includes all the features you need to sell products and services online. 2. UBook Store. UBook Store is a free responsive online store Blogger template that designed and developed by Template Monster. This template is suitable for any type of shop, from an online store to a physical retail store. This template has all the features that you need for a professional online store, such as responsive design. It looks perfect in all devices, PC, tablet, smartphone. Retina ready, it looks sharp on Retina screens. Google Fonts, choose your favorite font from more than 800 Google fonts. Mega Menu Navigation, organize your website content with Mega Menu Navigation. 3. Ecommerce. Ecommerce is modern, elegant, and versatile with configurable accent colors and backgrounds. It comes with are going to sell in your online store. Different element styles and sections, enabling you to present related posts and product grids in a variety ways. It comes with many powerful features, including an auto-load infinite scroll, post favoriting, related posts, and much more. 4. Megashop. Megashop is a free responsive Blogger template with a clean and professional design. It is suitable for fashion stores, online shops, blogs, and more. Megashop is a responsive Blogger template that comes with many features like responsive layout, fully customizable colors and fonts, easy to use page builder, SEO-friendly code, powerful theme options panel. 5. UBook. One of the best Ecommerce Blogger templates available online is UBook. This responsive template is perfect for online bookstores and comes with a range of features that make it easy to use and customize. UBook includes a number of different page templates, color schemes, and header options, making it easy to create a website that looks great and functions well. Additionally, UBook's code is clean and well organized, making it easy to edit and update as needed. Thanks for watching and your support. If you want to download any of the templates, check out the template link in my blog. And subscribe to my channel for more related video.